Hey guys, welcome back on this tutorial video. So today I'm gonna talk about the relationship card in Salesforce. Okay, so these are the things like what is the relationship card, why it is useful, right? How can we set up for relationship card? Where can we see this? Okay, and after that we will talk about out of the box feature in Salesforce Health Cloud, right? Why it is useful. Okay, so all of these things we are covering in this video. So let's talk about the first thing is what is relationship card, right? So the relationship card is a tool in Salesforce, right? It is a tool in Salesforce which shows all information, or we can say all related information at one place to easy to see on one page, right? For example, let's say doctor details, their age, their certification, their license, and etc. Right? So the relationship card helps users to avoiding clicking around too much, clicking anywhere, right? And it is make easy to find out. It is make easy to find out like who is connected with whom. Okay, so we can find out this easily and quickly at one page, right? So these are the definition of the relationship card. Now let's talk about why are the relationship card useful. Okay, so in healthcare, one person for let's say a doctor. Okay, so a doctor might work at more than one practice. Uh, like they have a several degrees, right, or hold multiple licenses, right? So, for example, admins navigating many object or relationship can become like a time consuming, right? It becomes a time consuming, like going to one object, then if you want to see to another information, we need to go onto the another object, right? So this will take so much time. So the relationship card brings all of these information together at the one place, right? You can see everything at one glance. So this is the reason why it is useful, right? So the next is how do you set up a relationship card. So for set up a relationship card, go to setup and write relationship card type manager. Click on that. We are going to click we are going to create new by clicking new button. So give me the name like let's say doctor healthcare relationship, right? Developer name should be automatically populated. Now let's select here the object, right? What page will this card appear on? Like for example, account or the contact. So in this example, I am choosing contact here. Record type, let's say master, and how this card is related to the page where it appears, right? So I want to see on the same page. Let's click on save and edit fields. Okay, now we are going to select the fields, like what fields we wanna show in this relationship card, right? So I am going to select age, uh, email, full name, gender, right? Or we can say title. Okay, so these are the fields which we want to show on this relationship card. Now let's go to the select the fields from parent or child object related to contact, right? So if I am choosing account, so this relationship card shows the information of the account which is related to this contact, right? So I am going to choose here account, select from account ID, select account ID from this field, and I wanna just show only the account name, right? Or you can say you can choose any fields from here which you wanna show on this relationship card. So okay, so for example, I'm going to show the account name here. Okay, so if you wanna select fields for related object two level away from the contact, right? So you can select the object from here, and then fields from here which we selected here. So the fields is uh, visible according what we have choose here, right? So I am avoiding this. Let's click on save. Okay, so our new relationship card is created here, right? It is with the active status. Okay, so now let's look into that. How do we use, right? We are creating this relationship card, but we don't know till now that how do we use it. So let's go to the contact, because we are create because we are created this for contact. That's why go to contact record, open any record, go to the setting icon, click on edit page. Here we are going to add this relationship card in our real contact page, right? So the search for here, oops, relationship card, right? Add this here, click on this, and from here you can select the our relationship card, right? So we are created this one. I am choosing this one and selected this one. Click on OK. Yes, just save it. Okay, now we need to activate this. Let's activate it. Assign for. You can assign this for desktop or phone. No worries about it. Okay. So this page layout can be accessed by the desktop or the phone, right? So click on next. Click on save. Okay, the activation setting changed. So click on go back button. Okay. So this is the relationship card, right? Which we are created. Okay, and this is the section where we can see the relationship information at one place. So for example, I am going only add these fields only, but you can add more fields which you wanted to show it, right, in this relationship card. Okay, so if you see, this account is sorry, this contact is having the Dixon PLC account name, so the account name is this, right? And the full name was Andy Young. Yes, Andy Young. Age is not mentioned here. I think this age is not filling in this contact. That site is empty, and this is the email, gender, title, right? So these are the concept for how the relationship card is useful. What is it, right? How do we create it, or where we can see this, how we can add on the page layout, right? So we are covering on this. We are covered all these things. Okay. Now let's talk about some example, right? Okay. So suppose you're looking at the contact doctor's contact record, right? So the relationship card uh, might display like doctor's name, their certificates, their license, their name, their age, their gender, their email, title, etc. Right? Which hospital or clinic they belongs to, right? So these are the examples of the relationship card, what we can see in the relationship card, right? Okay, so now let's talk about something new term. Okay, so why we use the out of box feature, not custom? So first of all, we need to know what is a out of box feature. Okay, so in the Salesforce Health Cloud, out of box refers to the pre-configured functionalities or the features that they are available, or that they are available for immediate use without requiring any expensive customization or development. Right. These features are designed to address common healthcare needs or streamline process healthcare organizations. Right. So uh, the out of the box functionality typically includes in Health Cloud, let's say patient profile, right? Provider provider search, okay, next care plan, patient relationship management, referral management, reporting and analytics, right? Workflow automation, mobile application, AI powered insight. So these are all the things which out of the box feature functionality typically includes. Right. Now let's talk about why it is useful, why we are not using the custom. Okay. So most of the functionality can be achieved with Salesforce Health Clouds out of the box feature. So you don't always need to custom development, right? The relationship kind of flexible, or it can be updatable as our general needs changes, right? So these are all the things I want to cover in this video. So let me just summarize. So we are talked about a relationship card. So the relationship card make life easier for use in hospital, clinics, or medical practice who needs to see clear or quick connection between the people and places, right? And you can set different cards for the different objects. For example, one for the doctor, another for the patient, or for the managing care teams. Like we can create here like we can create here multiple relationship, right? One is separate for the doctor, one is separate for the patient, one is separate for the care team or provider, etc. Okay. And more efficiency page, like happier use and better patient care, right? And the relationship card in health cloud pulls all the related information like doctor's workspace, contact, or license into one place, so you don't have to search through many screens. For example, we don't need to search different things in the different place, right? So it will place all the things on the one page for us, right? That's why it is very useful for us, and it makes every works together far faster and simpler, right? So these are all the things I want to cover in this video. So I hope this will help you to understand your concepts better. Yeah, I'm done with this. Thank you.